Sensodyne Clinical White provides 2 shades wider teeth as well as providing 24/7 sensitivity protection. Patients are going to love to see Sensodyne on the shelf.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC-TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
I just